Hi, my name is Roxelle Richards, injury attorney and business mentor. I wanted to talk to you a little bit more about MyBizMentor. MyBizMentor is the place to be to get extra live guided help. We meet 4 times a month and the breakdown is this. Twice per month, there's Business Q and A. Business Q and A is where you can get all of your questions answered, ranging from business, lifestyle, or career development. We also meet every first Friday of the month, and this is where we give you a hands-on masterclass. Now, that masterclass can be an opportunity for you to, get some hands-on walkthrough training, like let's say, for example, setting up some Google Ads, or it can simply be a guest expert masterclass where we're coming in bringing an expert to teach you guys a little bit more on a particular subject. Now, don't worry if you miss, it's okay. All of your recordings are actually saved and you have lifetime access so long as you're in the program. You get access to the trainings, and not only that, you get access to all previous months of all of our live Q and A's, focus groups, and masterclasses. And guess what? We give you access to our tools and resources. Now, our tools and resources is actually where you can get plenty of extra help and plenty of extra information related to many vendors. And we give you access to join a private community. And that private community is where you'll be joined by different people, all in their many different stages of their business or career development journey. So join us. What are you waiting for? I'll see you inside.